Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. In this lesson, we're going to learn about reinforcement weight to concrete volume ratio. Because yes, you can calculate it in the program, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We have a full reinforcement for a single concrete beam. Now for the weight to volume ratio to appear, we have to generate a reinforcement extract. So let's go to the bar schedule menu. For the type, we will select a simple AutoCAD extract, and for the selection, we will select bars belonging to elements and specifically to the beam element. Okay, now for this to work, first you will have to assign these bars to the beam element. I advise you to check our previous tutorial for this topic. So we have our bars assigned to the beam element, and now I will create a new list. Right, as you can see, we have a total weight of 29.40 kilograms, but we still don't have the ratio. So for that, we have to measure the volume of the beam first. Let's see. We have a 25 by 45 centimeter beam as cross section, and we have a total length of 400 centimeters, 4 meters. So let's do a quick calculation. I will convert these centimeters to meters, so 0.25 times 0.45 times 4. So it's a total volume of 0.45 cubic meters. And why is this information useful? Because if we go back to the Element Assign menu, and in the Manage tab, we will need to write this 0.45 here in the volume section. So the program knows that our beam has this much volume. Okay, once and twice. Let's make sure that our beam stays in the beam element. Okay. And we have another step to make the ratio appear. We will need to modify this bar schedule. And we have a tool named percentage incidence. We will need to check this box and modify, and we can inspect our new addition to the table. So we have a weight of 29.40 kilograms. We have a volume of 0.45 cubic meters, and this means that in a full cubic meter of concrete we would have a 65.33 kilograms of reinforcement. So here is the ratio. But you can see that we have only one element. We can increase it if we say you have more beams of the same size. Let's select those bars again, Manage, and at the beam element, you can increase this number, let's say to 3. Okay. Again, select the beam. And now you can check the table, which is updated. This starting volume just got multiplied by 3. So in total, we have now 88.21 kilograms, 1.35 cubic meters, And of course, the ratio stays about the same. So this is how you can calculate reinforcement weight to concrete volume ratio. I hope you find this quick tip useful. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.